Go Green Industrial Shanghai Company Limited. Founded in 2009 and headquartered in Shanghai. With dedicated R&D centers in both China and Australia. Global technology, local solutions, expert road maintenance. Committed to sustainable road solutions. Strict quality control, reliable supply, consistent quality in every batch. Powered by innovation, certified for quality. Go Green, professional manufacturer of road maintenance materials. Our in-house R&D team crafts high-performance road materials for global infrastructure needs. Our 4 product lines. Our flagship products. Superior Cold Mix Asphalt. Hot Melt Crack Sealant. Color Polymer Slurry Mixture.
Here we go.
Sand Mix Driveway Sealer. Colored Pavement Binder. Anti-rutting Asphalt Additive. Anti-stripping Asphalt Additive. High Viscosity Asphalt Additive. Go Green, rooted in Shanghai, reaching across the globe. A global presence across 60+ countries and regions. Trusted by municipalities, contractors, manufacturers, government agencies, and partners. Professional packaging, reliable quality, on-time delivery, one-stop service, expert support, tailored solutions. A strong R&D team driving innovation, supported by a responsive sales team. Committed to sustainable road maintenance. Together with global partners, building the future of sustainable pavement.
Go Green Industrial Shanghai Company Limited. Pave the way for a greener world.